Can I have parties announced?
Andrew Priest for the defense.
And are you Summer Mosqueda?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there any applications in this case?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Mosqueda, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
To proceed on the lesser included offense of attempted possession of a controlled substance, PG2, less than 1.
We have no objection, Your Honor.
All right. Did you understand? I'm sorry. Did you review the admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
The state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of attempted possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 2, less than 1 gram, as a Class A misdemeanor. Range of punishment is up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you enter a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you are giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, off the record. And all of this, she's just signing her name, Summer.
I told her to sign it as she normally would sign documents, Judge, and she expressed to me that that was her signature.
All right, you need to sign your full name.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we step aside, Judge?
Sure. Thank you. Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I believe she does.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe she was.
Ms. Mosqueda, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of attempted possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 2, less than 1 gram. They're asking that your punishment be assessed at 10 days in the Bexar County Jail and a $500 fine, and there are no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense?
Yes, Judge, and it was also my understanding that it was the belief of the parties that this judgment would be satisfied.
All right. And state, did you understand that to be the plea?
Correct. She does have credit for the 10 days.
Okay. All right. Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes,
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
Not at this time, Judge.
Then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence?
State offer states one in attachment.
I've reviewed that with my client. We have no objection.
All right. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, we would just ask that the court follow the plea bargain. My client is young. I believe she has a child. Her hope is the court would follow this plea bargain and she would just be able to put this behind her and get on with her life.
All right, and states you wanted to explain about the 10 days?
Judge, so the reason that the plea agreement is as you've seen in the review of the stipulations, this was a multi-offense arrest where she was also arrested for theft. For defensive purposes, they decided to handle them separately. She was placed on deferred adjudication for the theft and completed it satisfactorily enough to where the misdemeanor court did term her unsat. And so taking that into consideration, that's the reason we reached an agreement.
All right, the court then is going to find you guilty, sentence you to 10 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for any time served. There's a $500 fine, time and money to run concurrent. There's to be no contact with target, and the court will find that the judgment is satisfied.
Thank you, Judge.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. How old is your child? How old is your child? 2. All right. So do you have any family support with him?
Yes.
All right. So here's the thing. My understanding, you're done with all of your cases, right? So you have to remember that your child is 100% dependent upon you. I understand if you're a single parent by yourself, things can get stressful. If things get stressful, if an issue comes up and you don't know what to do and you don't have anybody to talk to, if I'm still here, you can come back here and I will find somebody for you to talk to, okay? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge. May I have excuse?
Yes. All right, who's here on Isaiah Story?